Both of you will listen to Nanny, okay? Now, we don't need to walk. No need to walk, okay? No need to walk. I'm lazy. Okay? No need to walk today? No need to walk lang. Oh, magalit siya guys kasi pag sinabi kong no need to walk, gusto kasi niya mag-walk eh. No need to walk, okay? I'm lazy kasi I'm so tired. Oh. Hello, demanding na naman siya guys. Ang sabi ko lang naman ayaw kong mag-walk. Ayaw kong mag-walk. Anong pakialam mo? Oh, tingnan mo guys, oh. Magalit na naman siya. Oh, ayaw kong mag-walk, ha? Oh, but I'm lazy. No need, okay? Excited kasi yan siya pag sinabing walking.